Hey everyone, JJ Cagle here. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to use the sound recognition feature in iOS 14. What sound recognition does is listens for certain sounds in the background, and if it hears it, it will give you a notification. So in order to enable this, we're going to go to Settings, Accessibility, and then we're going to go down to Sound Recognition. We're going to go ahead and turn that on, and we're going to click Sounds. Now we can turn on all the sounds we want it to recognize. Let's say door knock. We'll turn that on and we'll say turn on for that. Turn on sound recognition. Hey Siri, it will not be available. Just a little note, will not be available. Sound recognition is turned on. So now that that's turned on, we can go ahead and go back, and let's say I knock on my desk. It has heard that knocking sound and has sent a notification that it has heard the door knocking sound. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. Please subscribe.